Hi, this is Firestarter, and this is a review of the DX Sengoku driver from Kamen Rider Gaim. And let's check out the packaging. We have Kamen Rider Gaim right here, the driver, Kamen Rider Baron, the two lock seeds, orange and banana, the names down here, and then we have Kamen Rider Baron on one side, and then Kamen Rider Gaim on the other. And then at the back we have all the details that you need to know on this set. Now let's open the box so we can check out more the driver and the sounds of the lock seeds. The DX Sengoku driver is like what Kamen Rider Gaim uses on the show, a glorified fruit cutting board with a belt strap to hold on the waist. But unlike other DX Rider belts, since this is a hybrid wherein the parts have to be played together to appreciate the set, well, here's more. Now let's go through the accessories. We have the driver that has the battery compartment opened by a pin lock and speaker found on the front core. Just on top is the switch to turn on the driver. Then we have two belt straps and a back buckle. Each strap has an indicator to let you know where one comes on the driver and clips to disengage these easily on the latches. The buckle of course helps to hold the straps and secure the entire loop. Inclusive in the set are two lock seeds, namely the orange and banana lock seeds and the Kamen Rider Gaim and Baron's faceplate. Each lock seed has a speaker and it is found at the back and the bottom just below for more independent sounds and a switch to turn these on. The LEDs are in front that works to sync in with the activation sounds. Now let's play with the set, starting with the Sengoku driver. And then the lock seed, the orange lock seed. Now let's do Kamen Rider Baron with banana arms. Like what I said, the DX Sengoku driver is a hybrid of other DX Kamen Rider belts that has to be played with other lock seeds. Separately, each has its own gimmick, but wouldn't make that much fun if one is absent from the other. The Sengoku driver allows more combinations with other lock seeds and their connectors, expanding the overall playability. What the driver lacks is the luster in design, unlike some of the past favorites released by Bandai. And that is my review of the DX Sengoku driver. If you want to know the details for the parts and also on the driver, check out the photos at the end of the video and subscribe to my blog for the full written review. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much for watching and keep it here for more toy reviews.